Hey guys, so I am back. I shipped the bike to Australia and yeah, that was interesting. The hair's grown back, obviously, not shaved anymore. And it's time to do an oil and filter change. So I'm going to do that now. I've ridden here to a mate's house and it's nice and warm. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, so before I start, I've got all my tools and oil together. So for my bike, I've got a M50, 2008 M50 Boulevard, and I know I need 3.4 litres of oil. I use full synthetic, personal preference, but it's just what I use, you don't have to. I've got my filter, I've got my crush washers, I've got a hammer, my 14mm, and a Phillips head screwdriver, which I actually use to take the oil filter off because I don't have a fancy tool to take it off. I've also got my drip tray over there and I'm going to crack on with it. Right, so I don't have a fancy tool like I said, so basically I hammer this into the filter and then I twist it down. So it's a bit of a pain in my bike trying to do this. It's very awkward. Right, so I've got that in. A bit further, just give it a twist. There we go, so it's loosening up. Alright, so I've managed to loosen the filter up, so I'm just going to twist it off like that. Get this guy off. Beautiful. Alright, put that there for a sec. Okay, you can stop. Alright, 14mm, taking off the sump plug underneath my bike to get the rest of the oil out. Look at that. And the crush washer is just stuck on there. So I don't know if that guy's going to come off. I'll worry about that once the oil is all drained out. So time to go have a beer and let that do its thing for a few minutes. Got this guy off and got the crush washer off, so it looks good. There's no metal shavings. So I'm going to put another crush washer on, brand new one, and put that back in, and then I'm going to put on the oil filter. Alright, couple of clicks, and we're good. Got the new filter, so I'm just going to get some clean oil, run it around that rubber seal, just helps it seal when I put it on. There we go. Back under the bike. So I'm just going to tighten it by hand first. Then, where's that rag? And again, I don't have fancy tools, so I usually just tighten it by hand. And I've done quite a few changes in my time, and this has not failed me yet. There we go. Filter is on, ready to fill it up with some clean oil. Right, again, I have got 3.4 litres of oil here, so I'm going to pour this in. Hopefully not make a mess of it. Put it in. Right. Put the cap back on. Oil change, filter change done. Ready to do some more riding after this gear.